Okay, I'm trying to give these bell pepper plants some little more room. From seed, I had grew 3 in one pot. So I'm breaking them apart. See, that's one side there. That's a big one. It has blooms on it. So I need to put it in a pot by itself. And I'm gonna put these other two in some separate pots as well. Give them more room to grow. I'm starting to get a lot of blooms starting to grow on them. And I want to make sure when those bell peppers come out, they have a lot of room to grow to give me some big, beautiful bell peppers. Okay, was able to break them apart. Got one root, one side with the roots all pulled off. I'm going to put it in this bucket over here, 5-gallon bucket. Give it a lot more room. And hopefully I'll see some beautiful big bell peppers growing on them. Okay, I digged a hole in this bucket that I'm gonna transplant one of my bell peppers in. That was grown in this smaller bucket. End up having 3 that grew from seed. So there's 1, 2, 3, and they all have a lot of blooms on them. A lot of bell peppers getting ready to bloom on them. Okay, have a lot of blooms on this one over here as well. And this one here has a flower blooming on it, so I know the bell pepper is getting ready to come. Have several blooms on all of them. So I need to give them more room. I had 3 in one bucket. So I need to give them more room so they can grow bigger bell peppers for me. So let me put this one in this bucket here. Get it down deep. And then put the dirt on around the sides of it. It's gonna stand up there straight on its own. Okay, I'm gonna mash down and get all the air bubbles out of it. Get the dirt around the stem of it real good. I think that one's gonna enjoy being in this bucket by itself. It was crowded up there with those other 2. I bet it's saying, I'm glad I left y'all. I got my own little house now. Okay. Grow beautiful for me. I see you got some blooms on you. Come on, bell peppers. Grow for us. Okay, I was able to pull apart one more bell pepper plant. And I found out that I ended up having 4 that was growing in this one little pot. That's 4 stems. This one here is happy it's over there by itself. It done left its sisters. Now I gotta find a spot for the rest of these 3 here. Put them in separate pots and see them grow me some beautiful bell peppers. Okay, let's see. Put you in this pocket by yourself. That'll be your home. Add some dirt around you. Let you enjoy your new home. Look at all of those blooms on you. You're getting ready to grow me some beautiful bell peppers. Can't wait. Okay, everybody got their own little spot now. Okay, I know you're happy. You got room in here now. Had to leave your sisters. I left you 2 together. Now y'all all grow me some beautiful bell peppers. see a lot of y'all blooming. Y'all coming up. A lot of bell peppers coming out. Okay, okay. Look over here. Look at that bell pepper. Yay, I have bell peppers growing. But I can see I seen something else. There go a bell pepper. So look at that one. Okay. Come on, bell peppers. Y'all grow big and beautiful for me.